Did you know Google's first storage system was made from Lego bricks? Google's early days were marked by resourcefulness and innovation, and their first storage system crafted from Lego bricks exemplifies this. In the late 1990s, when Google was in its infancy, the company was rapidly expanding its infrastructure to accommodate the increasing demands on its search engine. Facing limited resources and budget constraints, the engineers at Google sought creative solutions to build their data storage systems. In one ingenious move, the Google team led by Larry Page and Sergey Brin repurposed Lego bricks to construct their initial storage infrastructure. These Lego bricks were used as makeshift housing or casing for the hard drives in their server racks. The decision to use Lego bricks was a cost-effective and flexible solution. Lego bricks offered a modular and customizable framework that allowed Google's engineers to easily rearrange and expand their server storage space as needed. Additionally, the Lego bricks provided adequate ventilation and were easily replaceable, contributing to the overall efficiency of their makeshift storage solution. Despite their humble beginnings, Google's Lego-based storage system proved to be surprisingly effective in supporting the company's early operations. It reflected the company's culture of innovation and problem-solving, demonstrating how unconventional approaches could yield practical and efficient solutions. As Google continued to grow and evolve, they eventually transitioned to more sophisticated and purpose-built data center infrastructure, moving away from the Lego-based storage system. However, this early use of Lego bricks as a foundational component of their storage infrastructure remains a testament to Google's early entrepreneurial spirit and the creative thinking that characterized the company's beginnings.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focus classes from 6 to 10. Beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.